Hey guys, it's Shaden Ghattas. I'm one of your 4% members. I have been using Comeback Daily's CBD products in my practice and personally for well over 3 years. Personally, I've seen some really great benefit of using CBD. I use it daily. I find that it helps with relaxation rather than using that reflex for relaxation, which is to come home and have a glass of alcohol. I tend to take a couple of drops of CBD and it really just does the trick. Um, for our patients and in our practice, I do sell CBD to the majority of the people that come in. Some people are already asking for it. Some people come in specifically for it, for the CBD, and they become patients as a result of that. So sometimes it can be a little bit of a lead generator. You can easily incorporate it into the practice. The topicals can be used in session. The people get great relief from it and they end up buying it. It helps with inflammation. It helps with relaxation. It will help within your session if they are using it orally, because it does induce real relaxation so that we can get them out of that fight or flight, so that we can really start to see a change in them so that they can learn better. They can start to feel their body, and then we can get to that next level with them if we can get them out of fight or flight. That's what CBD is really good at. It really does induce relaxation. It's great as a sleep aid. So many of our patients aren't sleeping, especially the ones with chronic pain. We find that they really have issues with getting to sleep, staying asleep. CBD is fantastic for that. So if, I screen people, I ask at the intake whether or not they're having issues with sleep, whether or not they're having issues with anxiety, what their pain level is like. I know we all ask that stuff, but I can recommend CBD on day one to help with some of that, with some of those things. Specifically for the pain, it reduces inflammation. For the anxiety, it induces relaxation, and for the issues with sleep, it does help it does work as a sleep aid very well, actually. People who can sleep can heal, so you'll start to see better results. So it really is a win-win. I would say definitely consider it as part of your product line. Say is that if you don't sell it to them, somebody else will, for sure. Whether they're Googling it online and getting it online, they're getting it from 7-Eleven, they might be getting it from another practitioner, but somebody else will sell it to them. So it might as well be you. I find that people do best where the physical therapist does recommend it. So, maybe a little bit of education to your physical therapist and they can come out and they're already asking for it at the front desk, something like that. I also recommend to you all that you are curious about how it works to just go ahead and try it. That is truly the best way to get the idea of how it works, is to try it on yourself. So it's very, very safe. It's very, very effective. It is not addictive. There are no psychoactive properties. You will not get high. This is the stuff I tell my patients, because they always say, well, will I get high? And I say, no, absolutely not. This is CBD. This is cannabinoidal. This is just, it's naturally occurring in cannabis. It's part of the cannabis plant, or the hemp plant, that induces anti-inflammatory aspect of the plant. So there are no psychoactive properties in the CBD that we're offering. So they don't have to worry about that. So that's really what I wanted to tell you, and just tell you that I've had really great success with it. Like I said, I have nothing. I have so many good things to say about it. I take it myself and daily. And if any of you guys would like to have a one-on-one conversation with me about it, I would be happy to do that. So, all right, good luck. See you soon.